Imagine every computer on Earth trying to solve a massive maze. They have to try one path, hit a dead end, back up, and try another. It takes time, sometimes thousands of years for complex problems. But what if a computer could walk down every single path at the exact same time? That isn't science fiction. That is quantum computing. Traditional tech giants are hitting a physical wall with silicon chips. We are running out of space to make transistors smaller. To solve the world's next biggest problems, we need a paradigm shift. And as investors, we want to know how to profit from it. Enter the Defiance QTUM ETF, ticker symbol QTUM. Today we are breaking down exactly what is inside this fund. We will look at how it works, what it costs, and if it belongs in your portfolio. First, let's understand what is QTUM. Most tech ETFs just bundle up Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia and call it a day. If those three giants have a bad day, your whole portfolio bleeds. QTUM takes a completely different approach. It tracks the Blue Star Quantum Computing and Machine Learning Index. It doesn't just look for companies building quantum brains. It looks at the entire ecosystem required to make them work. Think of it like the classic gold rush. The people who made the most predictable money weren't the miners digging for gold. It was the people selling the picks and shovels. QTUM focuses heavily on the machine learning software and advanced semiconductors. Without these specialized components, quantum computing can't function. To get into this ETF, a company must pass a strict rule. It has to derive at least 50% of its revenue from quantum or machine learning. This ensures you are buying real exposure, not just marketing hype. Cost and performance. Let's talk about the hard numbers because fees can quietly eat your gains. QTUM carries an expense ratio of 0.40%. To put that in perspective, for every $10,000 you invest, you pay $40 a year. For a highly specialized, cutting-edge thematic ETF, that is incredibly competitive. Many niche tech funds charge upwards of 0.60% or even 0.75%. Now, how has it actually performed in the real world? The fund has shown explosive momentum, significantly outperforming the broader S&P 500. It has built up a massive asset base of several billion dollars. This means it has deep liquidity, making it very easy to buy and sell shares. It even pays a tiny quarterly dividend of under 1%. Granted, you aren't buying a quantum computing ETF for the dividend income. You are buying it for raw disruptive capital appreciation. The risks. But let's take off the rose-colored glasses for a moment. No investment is a guaranteed home run, and QTUM has real risks. First, quantum computing is still a nascent, early-stage industry. Many of these technologies are experimental and years away from mass commercialization. Because of this, thematic ETFs like QTUM are subject to extreme volatility. When the tech sector experiences a downturn, speculative assets drop the hardest. Second, did you notice how many semiconductor companies are in its top holdings? This means QTUM is heavily cyclical and exposed to chip supply chain bottlenecks. If global chip manufacturing slows down, QTUM will feel the pain immediately. This is not a safe defensive bunker for your money. It is an aggressive, high-beta vehicle designed for long-term growth. You have to ask yourself if you can stomach 20% to 30% price swings. To buy or to buy? So what is the final verdict on the Defiance QTUM ETF? If you're looking for a conservative investment to preserve your capital, skip it. Go buy a total market index fund and sleep soundly. But if you believe quantum computing is the definitive future of human problem solving, and you want an automated, diversified way to play that trend without picking individual winners, QTUM is arguably one of the best tools on the market to do it. Its equal weight structure protects you from the downfall of any single tech giant. And its 0.40% expense ratio keeps your costs low while you ride the wave. Consider keeping it as a small, tactical slice of your overall portfolio, maybe 3 to 5%. That gives you plenty of upside if the quantum revolution takes off, without ruining your financial life if the technology takes longer than expected. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below. Are you betting on quantum tech? And lastly, disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. and does not constitute financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research or consult a qualified professional before making investment decisions. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next one.